Before buying a smart thermostat, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most people overlook compatibility issues, and that can lead to frustration down the line. But don't worry, I've got you covered with the best options on the market.
Product number 1, Google Nest Thermostat. Let's kick things off with the Google Nest Thermostat. Priced at $99.99, this smart thermostat caught my attention with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. If you want to save energy and control your home temperature effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. The Nest Thermostat is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it helps you conserve energy while keeping your home comfortable. It automatically adjusts the temperature when you leave, so you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty house. You can easily set up your energy-efficient schedule through the Google Home app on your smartphone. Plus, it works with Google Assistant and Alexa, allowing voice control for hands-free adjustments. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The remote control feature means you can change the temperature from anywhere, which is super convenient if you forgot to adjust it before leaving home. With over 5,000 units sold in the past month, people are clearly loving this product. Now, some users have complained about the lack of a C-wire compatibility in some systems. Here's the thing though, while that can be a hassle, most homes will find a way around it without too much trouble. Just make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use thermostat that works seamlessly with your other smart home devices. Skip this one if you have an older HVAC system that might not be compatible. With its price and features, it offers great value for money. Now, if the Google Nest C-wire issue concerns you, the next option might just offer a different solution. Product number 2, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, which runs at $134.99. What really caught my attention here is its ability to save up to 23% on your heating and cooling costs. If energy savings are high on your priority list, this is definitely worth considering. This thermostat can automatically adjust based on your schedule, ensuring that your home is comfortable when you're there and saving energy when you're not. It's compatible with 85% of HVAC systems, so it's likely to fit your needs. Plus, with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, adjusting settings is a breeze. You can also monitor your energy consumption through the Ecobee app, which keeps you informed on your energy habits. What's great about this product is its DIY installation, which doesn't require a C-wire if you use the optional power extender kit. However, some users mention that the setup can be a bit tricky, but honestly, once you get through that initial installation, the benefits really shine through. This is ideal for tech-savvy users who want to optimize every aspect of their home energy usage. Skip this if you're looking for something with more advanced features or if you prefer a simpler design. Given its capabilities, it's a solid investment for energy-conscious homeowners. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want full control. Product number 3, Honeywell Home Programmable Thermostat. Budget-friendly $36.16, the Honeywell Home Programmable Thermostat is a great option for those looking for something uncomplicated. It's perfect for anyone who wants basic functionality without breaking the bank. This thermostat allows for a 5-2-day scheduling system, which lets you customize your heating and cooling based on your weekly needs. It features a large, easy-to-read display and can remind you when it's time to change your air filter, which is a nice touch. Plus, it's compatible with various heating and cooling systems, although it doesn't work with electric baseboard heat. Now, here's the thing. While it's super affordable, some users might find it lacking in smart features compared to the others on this list. However, if you're just looking for a simple, reliable thermostat without the bells and whistles, this could be your go-to. This option is perfect for first-time homeowners or anyone who just needs a straightforward thermostat. Skip this if you want advanced smart features or remote access. For the price, it offers excellent value, especially for basic needs. Now, if the simplicity of the Honeywell isn't quite what you need, the next option packs in some smart features that might be more appealing.
Product number 4, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced is next on our list, retailing for $199.99. This caught my attention because it promises to adjust to your lifestyle and preferences. If you want a feature-rich thermostat that learns your habits, this one is worth your time. You can save up to 26% annually on heating and cooling costs, which is impressive. It automatically adjusts temperatures based on your presence in the home, and it learns your preferred settings over time. The compatibility is fantastic, working with 90% of systems, and it even includes a power extender kit for easy installation. With the added smart sensors, you'll be able to monitor temperature in different rooms for optimal comfort. However, some users have noted that the price might be a bit steep compared to simpler models. But I'll be real with you. If you value comfort and adaptability, this thermostat could easily pay for itself over time and energy savings. This is perfect for you if you're serious about energy efficiency and comfort. Skip this one if you're looking for a basic model without the bells and whistles. It's an investment that can lead to significant savings. Now, if the price is a concern, the next product offers fantastic features without breaking the bank.
Product number 5, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. We have the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, sitting at $199.99. This one really stands out with the built-in radar occupancy feature that preheats or pre-cools your home before you arrive. If you want your home to be perfectly comfortable when you step through the door, this one is definitely worth a look. It claims to save up to 26% per year on heating and cooling costs by automatically adjusting the temperature based on your habits. This thermostat is compatible with 90% of systems, and it includes the power extender kit for easy installation, which is a huge plus for those with older homes. However, some users found that it can take a bit of time to learn your preferences. Here's the thing though, once it gets to know you, you'll love how it consistently provides comfort tailored to your needs. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts who want a thermostat that learns and adapts to their lifestyle. Skip this if you don't want to deal with the initial setup, or if you prefer a simpler device. With its advanced features, it's a valuable investment for anyone serious about home comfort. So, there you have it. From budget to high-tech, each of these thermostats brings something unique to the table.
We covered the Google Nest Thermostat, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, the Honeywell Home Programmable Thermostat, the Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat, and the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Whether you're looking for smart features, budget options, or something straightforward, there's a thermostat here that fits your needs. Choose wisely and enjoy a more comfortable home.